First question. Let S set of point inside the square. P is the point inside the triangle and C is the set of point inside the circle. देखिए बच्चे तीन शेप्स हैं हमारे पास. कौन कौन सी शेप्स हैं जी? सर्कल है, स्क्वायर है एंड ट्रायंगल, राइट? Now he has given that if the triangle and circle intersect each other and are contained in the circle and the square. See, now what is the question? This is a square. Inside the square we have a circle and a triangle. Now this is the diagram, students. This is the diagram. Inside the square we have circle and triangles. Now we have to tell which of the option is correct. Look at the options, bache. Intersection of S, T and C. S intersection T intersection C is equal to 5. Is this true? देखिए तीनों का जो आपका इंटरसेक्शन पार्ट इज दिस पार्ट. तीनों का जो इंटरसेक्शन है, दिस पार्ट इज द इंटरसेक्शन. कैन यू सी दिस पार्ट? तो इज दिस 5? इज दिस 5 और नॉट? बच्चे 5 तो नहीं है ना, इट हैज सम वैल्यू. So first statement will be false. Now comes to the second one. S union T union C is equal to C. Means the union of all three is C. C क्या है बेटा? Circle. The union of all three is circle. No, because circle is inside the square. So this is also not true. Now comes to the third choice. S union T union C is equal to S. Now students, what he says, the union of all three, circle, triangle and square is square. देखिए बच्चे तीनों का यूनियन, since circle and triangle are contained in the circle, तो all three has the union as square. तीनों का यूनियन बच्चों स्क्वायर आ जाएगा. Yes or no? So therefore the choice C is correct choice. Have you understood? बच्चों तीनों का यूनियन क्या आ गया? सारा आ गया ये वाला, this entire thing, right? And this is your square. So therefore the correct option will be C option. Have you beta red shirt? Don't talk. No talking बच्चे. आप इधर सेंटर वाली लाइन में आ जाओ जरा. और आप जो इनके साथ वाला स्टूडेंट है वो थोड़ा इधर आ जाए, कैमरे में आ जाए जरा. एक ये येलो शर्ट के साथ भी एक बच्चा है जो कैमरे में नहीं आ रहा है. यू प्लीज सिट ऑन द फ्रंट बेंच. बच्चे इधर आ जाओ जरा. जो लोग कैमरे से बाहर जा रहे हैं इधर आ जाओ जरा जल्दी से सारे. Right students. Now comes to the question number 2. Comes to the question number 2. In a town of 840 persons, 450 persons read Hindi, 300 read English and 200 read both. Now draw the diagram for this. Let's say this is a diagram, students. Is this clear? Now what it is given, total are 840 persons, right? Total are 840 persons. 450 read Hindi. Let's say this is Hindi and this is English. right? 450 read Hindi, 300 read English, and 200 read both. Now, this part, what is both? Both is this part. That is number of element in A intersection B. Let's say this set is A, this is B. Is this clear? How much is the intersection, students? How much is the intersection? 200. And how much is A? Hindi is 450. English is 300. Total is, now this is the universal set. How much is total? Total is 840. Now you have to find the number of person who read neither. बच्चे neither का मतलब क्या हुआ? We have to find this part. ये जो मैं शेड कर रहा हूँ ना, what is this part? A union B whole complement. Can you find this? Can you find this or not, students? Have you understood? Apply the formula. कौन सा formula होता है बच्चों? Which formula is there? A union B is equal to NA plus apply this formula. Right, students? बेटा नो टॉकिंग. अगर डाउट है तो मुझसे पूछे जरा. क्या प्रॉब्लम क्या आ रही है बच्चों? बेटा जल्दी से बैठो जरा. प्लीज सिट डाउन फास्ट. देखिए बच्चा, तो हमारे पास इंटरसेक्शन भी गिवन है, ए भी गिवन है, बी भी गिवन है. कैन वी फाइंड द यूनियन ऑफ बोथ? कैन वी फाइंड द यूनियन ऑफ बोथ? यस और नो? प्लीज फाइंड आउट एंड टेल मी व्हाट इज द यूनियन. What is the union of A and B? फार्मूले में बच्चे तीनों वैल्यूज पुट कर दो. हाँ जी, कितना आ गया? बेटा तीनों की वैल्यू डालो ना. देखिए Na is 450, 450 plus 300 minus 200. 450 plus 300 minus 200. This comes out to be 550. यहाँ तो कोई डाउट? Now what we have to find? Complement. Complement of A union B. इक्वल हो जाएगा बच्चों ये n of U minus n of A union B. राइट? आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना था? Which read neither. Those persons which does not speak either English or Hindi. So what is NU? 840 minus 550. How much it comes out to be? 290. B choice will be the right answer, students. बच्चे क्वेश्चन समझ में आया आप लोगों को या नहीं? किसी को कोई डाउट है तो प्लीज टेल मी. Right. Now we move on to the next question. Two finite sets have m and n elements. Right? The number of subsets of the first set is 112, more than that of the second. Students, how many subsets are there of a set? क्या फार्मूला आता है बच्चों इसके लिए? 2 raised to power n. Very good. Now we have set A, which has, let's say, set A has m element and set B has n element. Right? Is this clear? What will be the number of elements in the what will be the number of subsets of set A? 2 raised to power m. What is the number of subset in the set B? 2 power n. Now what he has given, the number of subsets of the first set is 112 more than that of the second test. Means दोनों का जो difference है, that is equal to, yes or no? Is this clear बच्चों? Now can you find the value of n and m? Can you find the value of n and m? करो जरा find out करो बेटा. There are two ways to do this question. One way जो आपको options given है वो try करो m और n में. That is one of the way. If the options are not given, then you have to use the hit and trial method. आप m के place पे और n के place पे values put करके देखो, so that your answer comes out to be 112. The best way is go by the options. देखिए बेटा, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन अगर आप देखते हैं 4,7, सिंस m इज ग्रेटर देन n, m ग्रेटर है ना बेटा, तो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन हो सकती है. कैन इट बी द फर्स्ट ऑप्शन? बेटा 4,7, कैन m be 4 and n be 7? No, because m is greater. Second is 4,4, that can also not be the true. Both can't be same. Now comes to the third option. What is third option? Acha, second option is 7,4. So try the second option, 7,4. If you take 2 raised to power 7 minus 2 raised to power 4, what is the value of 2 raised to power 7? 128 minus 16. So here they comes out equal. Now both sides are equal. So the right answer will be 7,4. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubt बच्चों? Student, next question जो है, that is on relation. So we'll not do that question. Now comes to the question number 5. For any two sets A and B, any two sets A and B, A intersection A union B is equal to, इसके इक्वल होगा बेटा ये, A intersection A union B. Yes, what will be the right choice? Draw the Venn diagram. Draw the Venn diagram and check out. Yes, students, what is the right choice? Okay, students, these are two sets, A and B. This is A, this is B. Now what will be the intersection of A union B and A? It will be A itself. Yes or no?
Yes.
बच्चे, तो ये वाला जो पार्ट है ये हो जाएगा जी. इज कॉमन टू बोथ. इंटरसेक्शन का मीनिंग क्या होता है? द कॉमन पार्ट बिटवीन A and A union B will be A only, this part. So hence the right answer will be A. Option A है बेटा ये. Is it clear? Now comes to the sixth question. Please do this question yourself. Same question as was the second one. Please do this question, bachon. Question number 6. Same formula you have to apply here. हाँ जी, हो गए students? Okay, everything is given. You just have to put the values in the formula and solve it.
D option.
हाँ जी, D option. Yes, बच्चों, very good. D option. Straight away formula में put करनी थी values. N of A union B is equal to NA plus NB minus number of elements in A intersection B. This is 110 equal to 70 plus 60. Let's say this is minus x. Take this x on this side. 130 minus 110, that will be 20. So 20 will be the right answer. Is this clear, bachon? Is it clear?
Yes.
Now comes to the assertion reason part. Question number 7. For any two sets A and B, A minus B union A intersection B is equal to A. पहले तो चेक करना है कि ये ट्रू है फॉल्स है बच्चों. देखिए जरा. Let's say these are the two sets. This is A, this is B. Right, bachcho? Now, what is A minus B? This part is A minus B. Yes or no? Yes. Now, A intersection B. This part is A intersection B. Is it clear? Can you see this yellow one? That is here. This part is A minus B. This part is A intersection B. Now what he says, union of these two is equal to A. Is this true or false? Union of A minus B and A intersection B is A. Is it true or not? बच्चे ट्रू है ना. देखो सारा यहीं पे बन गया. ये देखो, दिस एंटायर थिंग इज ए. राइट. तो इन दोनों का जो यूनियन है, दैट कम्स आउट टू बी ए. दिस इज ट्रू. यस और नो?
Yes.
Now what he says in the reason, A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. Is this true? A minus B. अब देखिए जरा. Now again we have taken two sets. This is A, this is B. What he says, A minus B is equal to, this is your A. Is this clear? This is A minus B is equal to A intersection B dash. Now he is saying कि A minus B is equal to intersection of A and let's say I draw this. ये यूनिवर्सल सेट हो गया बच्चों. Now what is your A क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? पूरा वाला सेट हो जाएगा. देखो जरा, A सेट ये हो जाएगा हमारा पूरा. ये देखिए ग्रीन वाला. This entire thing is A, right? But he says A intersection B dash. What will be B dash? This entire thing is B dash. This also included. Can you see this? This entire thing is B dash. Now he says A intersection B dash. Everything is coming in this or not? Yes or no? आपके पास ये वाला पार्ट आ गया ना बेटा. देखो जहां पे दोनों चीजें क्रॉस कर रही है. So this is also true. Is this true or not? So both are true. Is it the correct explanation? It does not explain the first part. बच्चे, it does not explain. First part क्या है? A minus P union A intersection B. There is no mention of this statement in the reason part. So therefore, both are true, but it is not the correct explanation. The reason is not correct explanation. Hence, the right choice will be B. Is it clear? Is this clear or not?
Yes.
Now comes to the next question, बच्चों. 8th question. The number of subsets of set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 containing 4 and 5 is 8. Number of subset. Yes, students. Now, number of subsets containing 4 and 5 is 8. How many number of subsets of this will be there? 2 raised to power 5. How many subsets of these will not contain 5 and 4? चेक करो जरा बच्चे, कैसे चेक करेंगे इसको? देखो, all the subset which contain 4 and 5 will be 8. Is that will be true? Why it will be true बच्चों? Yes, tell me. अगर इसके टोटल सबसेट 32 बन रहे हैं, दो सबसेट विच डज नॉट कंटेन 4 and 5, इसमें 4 and 5 नहीं होगा, वो कितने हो जाएंगे जी? Those which will not contain 4 and 5. Yes. देखो 8 से ज्यादा हो जाएंगे बेटा. देखिए मैं बनाता हूं आपके पास सबसेट्स वो वाले जिसमें 4 और 5 है. दिस 4, 5, 4 and, अच्छा दोनों होने चाहिए जी. सॉरी, यहाँ पे आपको दोनों है, 4 and है. 4 and 5 both. 4, 5, 1, 4, 5, 2, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5, then 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any other set? How many this becomes? These becomes? How many are there?
8.
So this is correct.
Yes.
So since it is given 4 and 5, so both should be there. So all the sets which contain these two sets, they are 8. So this is true. Now comes to the reason. if A is a set consisting of n elements, then the number of subsets of A consisting of two particular element is 2 raised to power n minus 2. बच्चे ये correct आ रहा है? This is also correct, right? So both are true and reason is the correct explanation. So hence the answer will be A part, right? Move to the next question. Hanji, assertion if n of A minus B. देखिए बच्चों क्या क्या गिवन है. n of A minus B is 30 plus x. n of B minus A is equal to 20 plus 2x. n of A union B is equal to 100. and A intersection B is equal to 15 plus 2x. And show that x equal to 7. We have to check whether this is the value of x or not. How to do this? ये स्टूडेंट्स कैसे करना है जी? ये आपने दो सेट्स बना दिए जी. This set is A, this is B. This part is A minus B. Yes. This part is B minus A. And this is इन तीनों का जो यूनियन है, that becomes A union B. Yes or no?
Yes.
बस फार्मूला लगा दो. A union B is equal to n of A minus B plus n of B minus A plus n of A intersection B. Right? Is this clear? So what is the value of A union B? 100. What is the value of A minus B? 30 plus x plus 20 plus 2x and 15 plus. Solve this equation to find out the value of x. Solve it, बच्चों. Anything not clear, please ask the question. So what is the value of x? हाँ जी, जो सेंटर लाइन में सबसे लास्ट में रेड शर्ट बॉय, प्लीज कम फॉरवर्ड. आप आगे आओ बेटा. अपनी नोटबुक लेके आना बेटा, अपनी नोटबुक जहाँ पे आपने क्वेश्चन किया है. आ जाओ बेटे. हाँ जी, कर लिया क्वेश्चन आपने बेटा? हाँ जी, आता नहीं है आपको ये बेटा? आप क्लास में प्रेजेंट हो या नहीं हो? आई हैव सॉल्व द एंटायर क्वेश्चन, जस्ट आपको लास्ट वाली इक्वेशन सॉल्व करनी थी. सर प्लीज चेक हिज नोटबुक. सर प्लीज चेक हिज नोटबुक. व्हाट ही इज डूइंग. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करके x की वैल्यू कितनी आई है? प्लीज सिट डाउन बेटा. 7 आ रही है? बेटा ये देखिए ना, 30 प्लस 20 प्लस 15 65. तो ये बन गया 100 इज इक्वल टू 65 100 is equal to 65 plus 7x. So 100 minus 65 is equal to 7x. So 35 equal to 7x. और x की वैल्यू 7 आ गई है. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So therefore, this is the correct statement. Assertion is correct. Now comes to the union, or comes to the reason part. A n of A union B equal to same formula लिखा हुआ बेटा यहाँ पे. Is it the same formula?
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no?
Yes, sir.
So therefore reason is true and is the correct explanation. तो आंसर कौन सा हो जाएगा बच्चों? A choice. A choice will be the right answer. Is this clear? Now comes to the question number 10, and please do this question yourself. Please try this question beta. सेम वे से आप वेन डायग्राम बना के कीजिए. क्वेश्चन विल बी क्वाइट इजी फॉर यू. Students, try the question number 10.
सही है.
सही है जी. ये
सही है.
फर्स्ट तो सही है, असर्शन सही है जी. हाँ, सेम फार्मूला लगा बेटा. देखो अभी जो लगाया है, देखिए 9th के जो रीजन में फार्मूला है ना, सेम फार्मूला हमने लगा दिया है. n of A union B is equal to n of A minus B plus n B minus A plus n of A intersection B. So 60 minus 40 is equal to n of A intersection B. So hence n of A intersection B is 20. The same thing is given here. So this is true, right? Now come to the reason part. Read the reason and tell me whether you have understood this statement or not. N of A intersection B is 12. N of B is 37. देखिए अगर हम डायग्राम बनाते हैं बच्चों, what is saying? N of A intersection B is 12. This is 12. N of B means this total is 37 NB. This is 37. Right? Now he says N A complement intersection B. What will be this? Venn diagram देखो थोड़ा और हम डिटेल में समझते हैं जरा. Student, just have a look. This is a diagram. This is A, this is B, this is G. Right? Is this clear? Now, what is A complement? A complement will be this part. Is it clear? Is it clear? Yes or no? Am I audible? Connection is not there. on your video. We were doing the question number 10, reason part. बेटा वीडियो ऑन करिए अपना जरा.
सर हो नहीं रहा है वीडियो ऑन.
Okay. Now I was explaining the second part, that is reason part. Here it is given n of a complement intersection b. This is 25. We have to prove this, right? Now I have explained the shaded part is a complement. The shaded part is a complement, right? Now we have to draw the intersection between a dash and b. This is your b. This entire thing is b. What is the common part in these two? The common part will be only this only. That is, what will be the common part? We have to take the intersection of these two. This entire b will be the common part, right? But in this, this part will not be there. Only this b, means this will be equal to b minus a. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that this equal to 25. So we have to find this one. What will be? B minus a. Yes, students. B minus a will be equal to NB minus intersection of a and b. That will be 37 minus 12, which will be 25. So reason is also true. Your reason is also true, but it does not explain the assertion. Hence the answer will be B. Any doubt, bacho? Right. So we move on to the next question. Question number 11. Let A and B be finite sets, then assertion N of A union B. Yeah, students, this is true. अभी हमने किया था same reason. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What about the reason? Check whether reason is true or false. The reason is true or false. Student, reason is true or false. False बेटा, 2 नहीं आएगा यहाँ पे. अभी ये भी फार्मूला हमने किया है ना. N of A union B is equal to number of element in A plus number of element in B minus number of element in A intersection B. So this is the formula. 2 will not be there, hence it is false. So the right choice will be C option for this. Option C will be the right choice. Is it clear? Is this clear, bachon?
Yes.
Now we move on to the case study. Just have a look at the case study, bachon. In a survey, no talking, bachon, no talking. In a survey of a town, it was found that the number of people buying only Hindustan Times. Now, student, just have a look at the case studies. Hindustan Times, Times of India. Okay. Right, students? Just have a look at this question. When we say, let's say this is Hindustan Times, this is Times of India. When we say only Hindustan Times, in a survey it was found that the number of people buying only. Now, if I divide these three segments with A, B and C, means A is only Hindustan Times. So now what is A given? What is A given, students? 80%. The number of people buying only Hindustan Times is 80% of the number of people buying both the newspaper Hindustan Times and Times of India. Okay. Okay. This is not the true thing. 80% of B. This we have to write 80% of B. Right? Is this clear? The number of people buying only the Times of India is 60% less than the number who buys both. Now, this C is 60% less than the number who buy both. B minus 60% of D. Right जी? B से बच्चे कितना less है? 60% of B. Now what is the further the number of people buying neither of these? Neither of these two is 22,000 less than the number of people in the town. Okay.